Hi all, welcome to Korean Linguistic. This is lesson number 1. We have 100 lessons in this basic Korean course. Each lesson we cover one topic. Like in one lesson we cover present tense, in one lesson we cover past tense, in one lesson we cover future tense, in one lesson we cover progressive tense, in one lesson we cover all adjectives, verbs, conjugations. Like each lesson it covers one very important topic. After all these 100 courses you are able to speak Korean and you are able to write Korean script. In this lesson we cover origin of Korean language, introduction to Korean language, vowels and consonants. Okay, origin of Korean language, from where it came, who developed the Korean language. Before 14th century in Korea, they have Korean language, but they don't have any script. They use the Korean language only for oral communication. The people in Korea, they don't have any script for writing and all. So people who belongs to high class people or intelligent people, they use the Chinese script. But Chinese script almost it has 5,000 characters. It's not possible to remember all the characters. So King Sejong, fourth monarch of Yi dynasty, decided to plan a method of writing suitable for all Koreans. So King Sejong ordered and appointed some scholars, develop a language which must be suitable for all classes of people, and the language must be very easy to read and write. And he thinks that it improves the quality of life of Korean people. King Sejong scholars developed a script. That script is called Hangul. Korean alphabet is called Hangul. Korean script is called Hangul. How many alphabets are there in English language? 26, right? So Korean alphabets consists of 24. How many alphabets are there in Korean? 24 alphabets. In that 14 consonants and 10 basic vowels. 10 basic vowels and 14 basic consonants are there in Korean alphabet. And because of ease of language, so it gained unanimous prize from all the language experts from all the world. One more time we will do revision of all the vowels. Please write 3 to 5 times, then you're perfect in writing the vowels. If you know the 10 basic vowels and 14 consonants, you can able to write any word, any letter, any big sentences, small sentence, whatever it may be. You can able to write full script in Korean language. So please make it more practice. So how many vowels are there in Korean language? 10. How many vowels are there in Korean language? 10 vowels are there in Korean language. Come to the first one. Just omit that circle symbol. Just concentrate only the horizontal lines and vertical lines. Just omit the empty circle symbol. About that empty circle symbol, we will discuss in later classes. First standing line. That standing line pronunciation should be E sound. Standing line E. Examples weak, meat, etc. Second one ah. Second one ah. Examples father, car. Third one yeah. Third one yeah. Fourth one Fourth one Fifth one yeah. Fifth one, yeah. You have to pronounce simply. You should not stretch your mouth. You have to pronounce very simple. Fifth one, yeah. Fourth one, Fifth one, yeah. Sixth one, oh. Sixth one, oh. Sixth one, oh. Seventh one, yo. Seventh one, yo. Eighth one, oh, like how we are writing T in English language, same you have to write T. Horizontal line and one vertical line, T. Sorry, O. Eighth one, O. Same sound in cool, moon, soon, etc. Ninth one, like one horizontal line and two vertical lines. You, you, you. 10th one, only sleeping line, just pronounce as oo. Just pronounce as oo. How the oo sound comes in good, hood, etc. There are 10 vowels in Korean language. They are a, ya, y, o, yo, u, e. Now, coming to consonants, how many consonants are there in Korean language? 14 consonants. How many consonants are there in Korean language? There are 14 consonants are there in Korean language. They are, first one, just write like a 7. How number 7 looks? Same. You have to write like 7. One sleeping line, one standing line. One horizontal line, one vertical line. Suppose if ga sound comes, you have to write this symbol only 7. If ka sound comes, then also you have to write this symbol only. This horizontal and vertical. Just draw like 7. For ga or ka. First one is ga or ka. Second one, you have to write like L, standing line and sleeping line. That is for sound na, na. First one is ga or ka. Second one is na. Second one is na. Third one, sleeping line, standing line, again sleeping line. Sleeping, standing, sleeping line. It is very easy to write. Sleeping, standing, sleeping. This sound is da or ta, da or ta. If the sound comes in any letter or word, you have to write this symbol only. If ta sound comes, again you have to write this symbol only. You should not stretch while you're pronouncing. You have to pronounce like in a simple sound. Ga, ka, na, the, the, like that only. Fourth one, just write like 2. How we are writing 2? Just like that, write 2. We should pronounce with either la or ra sound. If la sound comes, we have to write this one. If ra sound comes, we have to write with this one. This sound is la or ra. First one, ga or ka, na, the or the, la or ra. Next, fifth one. Fifth one, just write like a square box. We have to pronounce in Korean as ma sound. What is that sound? Ma. What is that sound? Ma. Sixth one. Sixth one. Standing, sleeping, standing. Again, you have to keep one more sleeping line. That sound is either pa or ba. What is that sound? Pa or ba. If pa sound comes, we have to write this symbol. If ba sound comes, we have to write this symbol. Seventh one. Sa, just like arch type. Seventh sound, sa. Seventh is sa sound. Eighth, again same sa sound symbol. You have to keep one sleeping line. That is ja sound. What is the sound? Ja sound. Ninth, again you have to write like ja. You can write in a different way again. You can write like a ja sound. You have to keep one sleeping line. Then it is cha sound. What is that sound? Cha. Sa, ja, cha. If you observe, all the symbols are same. For sa, just write like a arch type. Next, ja sound, just sa sound. You have to keep one sleeping line. Cha sound, again write ja sound. You have to keep one more sleeping line. That is also correct. Cha. Just pronounce one more time all the 14 consonants. Ka or ga, na, the or the, la or ra, ma, pa, sa, ja, cha, kha, tha, pha, ha, ing. This is review of lesson 1. If you're not understand, just revise one more time full lesson 1. After that, you try to answer these multiple choice questions. Then you can come to know how much you understand from the lesson 1. That's it. Thank you.